Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to Tech Thursday, y'all. So today I wanted to bring you something, excuse the plaster on my finger. So today I wanted to bring you something a little bit different. I wanted to bring you something which was actually more personal. An item that I bought back in the day that I've had forever and sort of like put it away and hasn't used it until recently. And the item that I bought is this. This is the Sony Walkman, and it is the FM AM Walkman SRF M35. This is something that I actually bought myself in the day. So let's bring the camera a little bit closer and I'll explain to you and we will take a look at it. And so here it is. This is my little Sony Walkman radio. I bought this whilst I was living in Colombia, and I must have bought it I'd say around 2000, 2001, because where I used to live and where I used to work at the Universidad Católica de Colombia was about a 30-minute walk, and I wanted something that was small and discreet, not a cassette, but to listen to the radio. So I bought this in a shopping centre in Chapinero. Now, if anybody has been to Colombia or knows anything about Colombia, you will know what I'm on about, and if you don't, it sounds like I'm making up words, but I am not. So I used to use this while walking back and forth to work 4 times a day, and I would also use it as well when I used to go to the gym twice a week. Yes, my whippersnappers, I actually used to go to the gym. So this is it, and it has been upstairs. I brought it back with me, and I used it for a couple of years because this was before smartphones. I came back in 2003, so this is before smartphones had radios. Well, they did have radios in it, but they weren't very good. Mine didn't. My mobile phone didn't have that capacity, so I would use this and listen to the radio while I was walking around. And then it got renegated to the cupboard and in a special box with all my other little precious little bits from Colombia. And I thought, I know, I'm going to dig it out and do a video on it. So, right, I've bored you enough now with the history. Let's give it a bit of a clean up. So I'm going to remove the belt hook on it, like so. So that's pretty good that it's still got it. And we will give this a bit of a wipe over with my lovely alcohol wipes, just to clean up any mucky residue. I took the batteries out of it back in the day, so the inside of it it's in really good condition. So let's give this a wipe in all the buttons and the screen, and I'm going to give the belt hook a bit of a wipe over as well. Excellente. Let me get my cloth and dry it off. So yeah, I like this a lot, but one thing I did notice is when I came back to the UK, it wasn't working properly, and I had to follow some steps on it to change it from the radio stations in South America to the radio stations here in the UK, in Europe. There's you put the batteries on and you switch it on, and you switch it on and press one of the buttons at the same time, and that comes up, and you change it to number 9, and then it's more suitable for use in the UK. So I did that when I came back. That was my friend actually showed me that. Dave. I haven't seen him for donkey's years. Anyway. Right, let's put this clip back on, like so. Let me just put this on the inside. Oops, you can't see me. There we go. Let's give that a bit of a dry. This takes 2 AAA batteries, which we will insert. Now I have to set the clock. So I hold that button down, and then I think it's one of these buttons. Oh, there we go. It's that. It's them. It's those buttons there. Oops. Let's see. Let's have a look. Yeah, PM. So it is now 17:7, 28, 7, 28. Oh well, there we go. We've gone forward. And clock, and there we go. So the clock now is set on that. Power button, as you can see, hold buttons, time set, and also band search as well. And also you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presets of radio stations there. So it's pretty cool. Millihertz, kilohertz, clock, Walkman name, brand, blah blah blah. Very, very nice, very, very discreet. Now let's get my Bose sound link and plug it in. Make sure it's on, and it's on auxiliary. Yes, it is. And where's the volume? Let's make sure that the volume is not blasting. And let's power it on. Let's have a look. Let's switch it on. Trying to get it so you don't lie. There we go. On power. Whoa, power. Now this is on AM. Oh. It's got that horrible beep on it that you can't control the volume of. No, okay, let's change it to FM. Must be able to pick up something. No. Absolutely nothing. Huh. Okay, so I pressed the hold button. You saw the little lock come up in the display. Now I can't change any of the buttons. Let's take the lock off. Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go outside with my headphones, and I'm going to see if I can find some radio stations. Okay, in order for me to get a signal, I have had to bring you outside. So let's switch it on. Move around.
Of the difficult second album, after the success and the perspective of the success, suddenly there's this kind of...
So there we go. I had to come outside to get a proper signal because it's really hard to get a signal inside. So let's get back to the bench. So there we go, my little whippersnappers. This is, well, was my personal little radio Walkman that I bought when I was living abroad, and I used to use it all the time. I did keep it in good condition. It was always kept in my pocket, in my shirt pocket, or clipped onto my trousers or whatever. So I did keep it in really good condition, as you can see there. The only issue it kind of has is a little bit of an issue when I'm turning the volume up and down. It's a bit scratchy. Now I think there's probably a bit of dust on the inside, and then when you turn in the dial, it is causing a little bit of an issue. So what I am going to do is drop a tiny little bit of lithium grease inside there. I mean literally a tiny amount, and that will hopefully stop the crackling. So if I turn it on, turn it down, if you can hear that. Alright, so let's fix that. Let me just pop you on stop. Okay, so I put a little tiny little bit of lithium grease down there, and then you'll now see now, when I was doing that before, that is now stopped. That's just the radio. But that crackling noise, when I was moving this back and forth, is now stopped. So it's a very quick fix there. Okay, let's power it off. So there we go, my friends. I just wanted to share this with you because it's something that's very personal to me and means a lot, and I kept it in my memory box for years, but I've put it out and put some batteries in it, cleaned it up, and now I'm sharing it with you. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe. More vacuum videos coming up on Sunday and Tuesday. This is just my little series I'm doing on some retro tech. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe below for more videos. Stacks of stuff in the back catalogue. Go and have a quick look and see if there's anything there that tickles your fancy. And I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye!